it is pathetic that the NDA, which has got 300 members in this Lok Sabha, had to borrow a member from Rajya Sabha to speak on their behalf. And not only that, that member from Rajya Sabha is not even the defense minister. He claims to be an expert on defense minister. But may I mention that Mr. Jaitley has lost his touch. He quoted Ian Fleming, saying the first time it's happenstance, second time it is coincidence, third time it is enemy action. He said something else. You forgot about enemy action altogether. Your memory is failing you, Mr. Jaitley. Third time it is enemy action. Also, I want to remind him, Jaitley ji, I want to remind him a little about French pronunciation. Hollande is not Holland. His name was Hollande. You called him Holland as if the country is Holland. That was also a total wrong pronunciation. Now, to come to the subject, madam, our party, TMC, and our leader, Mamata Banerjee, believes in transparency and probity in all defense purchases. So, on behalf of our party, with our party leader here, I shall not indulge in tu mai, which Jaitley ji indulged in. Tumhare samay ye hua tha. We are asking about today, about the Rafale aircraft. We do not want to hear what happened in the past. Now, what is there about the Anurag ji? Aap baith jaiye. Madam, what is at stake? That the government what is under discussion? That the government purchased 36 Rafale aircraft for a cost of 59,000 crores. Now, what are Now, what is the question, madam? Let them shout. BJP muscle man have defended on me, but you can't talk to me. Your BJP muscle man, because actual battle, madam, actual battle is like that of Meghnad. You know about Meghnad in Ramayana. He fought behind the clouds. Now the actual Meghnad is...
What is this happening? The ruling party is doing it.
The actual Meghnad is Narendra Modi. He is hiding behind Arun Jaitley, who is the cloud. He does not have the courage. The Prime Minister should have had the courage to face this parliament, but he is the Meghnad. Anyway, my question is simple. Simple questions that need to be answered. And I think to ultimately find the answer, you have to appoint a joint parliamentary committee to probe into whole thing. Why I want this, madam? Please listen to me. The price negotiated at the time of UPA was 526 crores. Why have 36 aircraft been bought for 1671 crore each? This is question number one. Question number two. It was negotiated that 126 aircraft, that is 7 squadrons, would be purchased for the Indian Air Force. Out of them, 18 will be flyaway condition, rest 108 would be manufactured in India by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Now why from 18 you have increased the flyaway purchase to 126, and why instead of HAL you have had one private company acting as an offset partner? Thirdly, Mr. Jaitley said how concerned they are about immediacy of Air Force leading the Rafales. There is no doubt that Rafale is a good aircraft. It was selected by the earlier government. It is nuclear capable. It has radar jamming techniques. And alone, Dassault doesn't make it. Safran makes the engines. The Thales makes the electronic and radar system. So it is a modern aircraft. But if there was so much hurry, why did Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, decide on announce purchase of Rafale on April 11, 2015? He had not taken the defense minister on that trip. Alone, have you heard a Prime Minister announcing purchase of aircrafts? If they are in such a hurry, when did the former defense minister sign the agreement? He signed the agreement on September 23, 2016. So they were in a hurry. But it took them a year and 4 months to finalize a deal already announced by the Prime Minister. So the hurry was not there, madam. There was something else which I'll go. There's a new company, madam, which was incorporated in March 28, 2015. Just a few days before the Prime Minister went to France. Who was accompanying him? Chota Ambani. I'm not talking of his name. I'm talking of like Chota Modi, we say about Nirav Modi. We say this is Chota Ambani who was accompanying him. And Chota Ambani incorporated a company. He incorporated a company, Reliance Aerospace Defense Company. So that was registered only 12 days before the Prime Minister went to France. Mr. Jaitley has not explained why Johnny come lately, a newcomer in the aviation field, was given the offset contract in place of the 70-year-old trusted public sector owned Hindustan Aeronautics, which employs thousands of people in this country. Is it not a total betrayal of the national interest in the interest of somebody who is doubtful? I want to know from Mr. Jaitley, he has been a corporate lawyer, he would know what is the condition of Reliance company. Reliance has a total debt of 8,000 crores and losses of 1,300 crores. 45,000 crores, did you say? They have got a total debt of 45,000 crores. Now you are bringing in that company as an offset partner in place of Hindustan Aeronautics. This is rather strange. There are other offset partners also. There are 72 offset partners. I am not questioning them. I am questioning this Reliance Aerospace Defense Company. Madam, do you know that Maharashtra government, led by BJP, Mr. Fadnavis, allotted land only in August 2015. And one union minister, Gadkari, he went to lay the foundation stone in 2017. They have not yet started fencing the whole area and they get the offset money. So if somebody asks me, where is the money trail for Rafale purchase? I say that the money trail is through the Reliance Chota Ambani Bhai. Wahan se money trail jata hai. So you don't think, madam, you've been a concerned, you've been MP for so many times. You are concerned about national security and probity in national affairs. क्यों इसको जांच नहीं होगा, ये हमें बताइए. I am not referring to the reported conversation by ex-defense minister who now lives in Goa. He said कि सब राफेल का कागज मेरा bedroom में है. He said, now won't there be any inquiry? Why this man was suddenly shifted out of defense ministry to Goa, and why he is saying now in his very sick state that he is in possession of all the papers relating to Rafael. Sir, हमारा तैयारी तो काफी है, लेकिन बीजेपी का मसलमैन चिल्लाएगा तो हम तैयारी होके करेगा क्या? उसको जवाब देगा बीजेपी का मसलमैन को कि अपना तैयारी को बोलेंगे. मैडम,
Why he has come? How he can come here?
Chief Whip is coming and disturbing me here. Why?
Chief Whip can come here. How the Chief Whip can come here? What is this? Madam, will you allow?
Can he sit there and disturb me? Can he sit there and disturb me without your permission?
Will you allow this Chief Whip?
Please. Hey, let him. Please, don't do that.
We get put up.
Please.
Put out from the ground.
He can't speak from that point. That's all.
This is something he is speaking.
Please, no, don't do that. Please. ये क्या हो रहा है? Please. ये इनका नाम ही बोल रहे हैं.
15 मिनट के लिए उठा दो.
ये कौन है?
कल्याण जी.
Kalyan ji, please. I will only his speech is going on record. Please. I will see that. He should not. Yes, please. He can sit there. You can't say something like that. He will not say anything. That's all. आप बैठिए ना, मैं देख लूंगी. Please. Why you are disturbing your own member? कल्याण जी, आप बैठ जाइए. कल्याण जी, please. कल्याण बनर्जी, please take your seat. आप बैठिए. I will see to it. Please. No, this is not the way. You can't say something. I will see what to do. And only Saugat Rai's statement will go on record. No such disturbance. All of you take your seat. What is this happening? Why? No. Please take your seat. It should not. Yes.
Five
Saugat
minutes.
Rai ji. Yes.
Madam, now let me formulate my questions.
Please take
One,
your seat. What is this
can
happening?
sovereign
Please go to
guarantee
your seat.
replace bank guarantee?
It should not be something like that.
In the Rafael deal, French
क्या कर रहे हो?
negotiated a mechanism as per which its government would act as guarantor. This was a departure from regular commercial purchase,
Take your seat.
where the winning
This is not
company is
fair.
required by law to furnish guarantees from an international bank that can
बैठ जाइए.
be encashed by the purchaser in case deliveries are not made in time after payments have been made.
Yes,
There
Saugat
was
Rai ji, now
significant discomfort on the Indian side
Yes.
when this was being discussed, as the French assurances were not watertight, according to a source. Secondly, among the 7 reasons cited for withdrawing the UPA version of the deal in June 2015 was Dassault Aviation's failure to furnish performance and warranty bonds and its refusal to act as a single point of responsibility. It's unclear how the government resolved the issue of absence of bank guarantee. There was no bank guarantee for such a big purchase, 59,000 crores. And given clear reluctance in the bureaucracy. Moreover, it is not clear whether adequate safeguards have been built into the contract to ensure that India can penalize the manufacturer for violations such as delivery delays or a failure.
Now complete.
Our एक paragraph, बस हो जाए.
Okay.
You have been very kind, ma'am. Just allow me.
Yes, please.
Why was the cheaper option rejected? This is the most important question. The government's internal notes show that a key reason for scrapping UPA's Rafale deal was that the French aircraft, though initially thought to be cheaper, was turning out to be more expensive than the Eurofighter Typhoon after detailed commercial discussion. So it is unclear why the government selected the Rafale jets for purchase. Indian Air Force had selected the Rafale jets after an elaborate process during EPA regime. But it was not the only aircraft to be selected. The Air Force had also found the Eurofighter built by EADS as compliant with the requirements. देखिए मैडम, ये चीफ व्हिप का हालत देखिए, भाषण में नहीं सकता, इधर आके डिस्टर्ब कर।
अपनी बात कहिए।
चीफ व्हिप का हालत देखिए, यही हालत है बीजेपी का। चोरी का इल्जाम आया, इसलिए चुपचाप। मैडम, when the NDA government decided to buy the 36 jets, it did not consider the Eurofighter, which was cheaper as per government's analysis, as per the terms of the previous deal. In July 2014, Germany had even made an offer to NDA government to further reduce the price of Eurofighter by 20%. Eurofighter by the Typhoon. I am reading from, this is from Economic Times. The date, okay. Happy New Year 2019. Okay, कल आया है. Happy New Year 2019. So let me wind up my discussion by saying the Germans had promised to divert deliveries of Eurofighter Typhoon jets from Britain, Italy, and Germany to meet Indian needs on an urgent basis. Madam, so the three questions remain unanswered. Why 1670 crores instead of 526 crores? Why 36 jets in place of 126 jets? Why Reliance Aerospace Defense is chosen as an offset partner when it is a company totally in the red? Fourthly, why not you gave a fresh discussion with Eurofighter? Madam, the money trail goes up to Bombay and Nagpur, where the Reliance Aerospace Defense is situated. That's where the money will come from in the coming election. In the meantime, Meghna, Indrajit will shoot from behind the clouds, leaving the Rakshas Sena here to defend him. That's why I demand a JPC madam.
Thank you. Kaliket Singh Dev ji now. हो गया ना?
धन्यवाद, आपने मुझे एक चांस दिया।
Yes.